everyone. I am Amit Verneker, researcher from Professor G. Movish's laboratory at Indian Institute of Science. So here I will show you what we have prepared and what the research proposal has been submitted to the Gandhi and Young Technological Investigator Award. So we work basically on glutathione peroxidase nanozyme. Glutathione peroxidase is a mammalian antioxidant enzyme which is involved in antioxidant defense function, and this converts hydrogen peroxide to water, and hydrogen peroxide is a reactive oxygen species and it causes oxidative damage to biomolecules. So glutathione peroxidase neutralizes hydrogen peroxide to water by utilizing thiol cofactor, which is converted into glutathione disulfide, and this glutathione disulfide is again converted back to glutathione by NADPH cofactor, and this NADPH is oxidized. So by following NADPH at 340 nanometer by UV visual spectrophotometry, you can easily calculate the rate of glutathione peroxidase enzyme. So here we have developed vanadium pentoxide as the nanotherapeutic for oxidative stress related disorder. So how it works? It works in a similar manner to glutathione peroxidase enzyme. So here I am going to demonstrate by UV visual spectrophotometry how it exactly works. So here I am taking buffer, which is required for the antioxidant function and the proper activity of glutathione peroxidase nanozyme, and then we add nanozyme. So this is nanozyme what we have synthesized in our laboratory, which is yellow in color. It's a vanadium pentoxide nanowires. So I am taking it in my reaction medium. Then I am adding glutathione, which is a cofactor for glutathione peroxidase enzyme. I am adding NADPH, which is a cofactor for glutathione reductase enzyme. And then I am adding glutathione reductase enzyme, which is also required for the function. And I am mixing this very nicely for homogenization. So this is our control experiment without hydrogen peroxide. You would notice that there is no decrease in concentration of NADPH. So when I will add hydrogen peroxide, then only the reaction will take place. So this is control. You can see over here the straight line which is coming, which shows that there is no decrease in NADPH concentration. Why there is no decrease? This is because there is no reactive oxygen species produced inside the reaction medium. So we will wait for 3 minutes. See over here that there is no still activity for about 3 minutes. So after this I am going to add hydrogen peroxide, and then let us see the activity of glutathione peroxidase nanozyme. So I am adding now hydrogen peroxide in the reaction medium. So after addition, it should be mixed properly, and then the reaction is noted. You can see the decrease in the amount of NADPH concentration. So this is your control reaction where there is no hydrogen peroxide, but when you use hydrogen peroxide in your reaction medium, vanadium pentoxide nanowires neutralizes hydrogen peroxide to water, and you can see the decrease in the concentration of hydrogen peroxide here. And this is how vanadium pentoxide nanowires act as glutathione peroxidase mimic.